Welcome back to Weird Effing Cooking. I'm cooking for my family now. I just made my Massovis carrot and strawberry smoothie. So now I'm going to make a cocktail of apple juice and green Kool-Aid. This is going to be so Sigma. Fuck, I'm left-handed. Hold up. I'll just sort of. Fuck, hold up. I'm left-handed. I'll just do this with my left hand. Oh no. The Kool-Aid got everywhere. There we go. Oh fuck. Perfection. Oh wow. Oh man, that looks super tasty. I bet they can't wait to drink this. Yeah, I think that's overflowing, just like, oh wow. Nah, that is like perfect. Oh, look at this shit. It's fucking perfect. I can just focus. Oh goddamn. Not too bad, actually. Hello, Tony. This was made out of the wettest diarrhea. Enjoy.
What is that now?
It's green Kool-Aid and apple juice. It's actually not too bad. Try it.
I asked for a juice pack.
Technically, those two things are juice. Yeah, see, it's not too bad. Oh, it's gonna be way worse.
Thanks, Chef.
Yes, you're welcome.
Chefs take empty dishes to the kitchen, right?
Yes, I will. What other masterpieces can I serve? Let me check the 5-star chefs. Oh goddamn. Fridge. I have an idea. Okay, so like this is like bread, right? Do we have any other bread I can use?
On the counter behind you.
Oh, there it is.
I just showed you, so you never make a sandwich.
Who says I am making a sandwich? I say, I am making art, not a sandwich.
And it ran again, and there's left everything behind it. I think whatever key's broken.
Yeah, fuck.
The ghost is just trying to make sure that the
Make sure you take the bag right.
Yeah, I will.
What did Detective say? Did she know my jacket?
Eli.
She said she's gonna call the FBI. She's gonna...
Okay. 4, there we go. Wait, no, that's cold fry. Oh, shucks. No, that's the air fryer. Oh, yep, the toaster is plugged in. Maybe do I like hold that down, but wait, hold on. Is that how I do it? Hold up, let me just... Goddamn. Goddamn. Do I like...
Right, so you clean it up when you do this?
Yes, I am. How do I turn on the toaster?
You have to put it in the one that's closest to your living room in that side, and you have to plug it in.
It is plugged in.
So it has to go in the one that's closest.
Oh, it is working now. How do I know when it's done? Ooh, da 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 ooh, ha. Whoa, oh fuck, oh, whoa, oh. The number 4, does that mean like 4 minutes?
Holy fuck. No, it's
Just wait for it to pop up.
Oh, pop up. Okay. Glove time. It's hard as a rock now. Let's go. Ooh, shucks. Oh, frick. Goddamn. Alright. Sorry, yogurt. Alright, now I grab the cheese. This looks good. Oh, sorry, Henry. Hey. Crush it now. Wait, no, I need to face it like upward, sort of. Alright. Oh, shucks, hold up. It's really squish it, yeah. Okay. Come on. We just gotta spread that shit a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Wait. We're missing. Wait, actually, no, we're not missing anything. Yeah. It's good. So we'll melt the cheese on the toast. Let's go. Smells delicious. Alright, I don't have a butter knife, so we're going to use a spoon. Okay. Yeah, just like... Ew, what the fuck? I'm never touching that shit again, ew. Hold up. I'll need that spoon, I can just... pour it.
I don't know why you keep saying it.
Okay, this isn't working. Alright. That didn't work, so we're using horrible mayonnaise. Alright. Let's go. Okay, so it's a little hot. Who wants to take the first bite?
what you make. Get up and look.
I made toast with melted cheese in it and a little bit of mayonnaise. Just a little bit, though. Just a little bit.
Mom can try it. What's with the toast and melted cheese? It's fun. And that's not bad.
Come on.
That's bad.
Okay,
What's like? Where did the thought process come from?
to be fair, I pulled out the bucket of mayonnaise, but it wasn't pouring out. And
This isn't mayonnaise.
hold up, just connect it to the toast and try it. No, don't do that. I want to see you connect that to that toast.
Connecting.
No, I want you to put that on that and take a full bite.
I don't think I can with my teeth.
Yeah, you can try. Ooh, shucks, sorry. It's a bit hot.
No.
Yeah. Out of 10. You gotta get to that ranchy bit. Like, try to bite out the middle. Like, try to bite it out this side. You gotta get to the ranchy bit. It might taste a bit better. You like...
Would you eat that?
No.
It's not even edible, I'm sorry to say. It's like a fucking rock. Try biting it. It's like a
I don't share food.
knock knock.
Just fucking love tequila. It's the only
Yeah, it's hard because it's toast.
It's just good vibes, man.
Nope, toast is supposed to be soft.
Happy birthday.
Toast doesn't typically have
Replace the
red stuff there. Ow, let's see, I keep biting my tongue. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm not doing it anymore. No
Alright.
fucking way.
And if you want to know the cheese I'm used,
Okay.
I'm used to silly string. Crushed it on a piece of toast with the hammer.
So we seriously need to stop wasting food because this is enough. You may think it's funny, but that was just like a $10 waste. So we need to stop.
Listen.
Don't make something you're not gonna eat. I appreciate the effort that you were trying, but it's shit.
Specify shit.
Shit.
You created that.
And I bit my
He
foot.
created that. There's something not going right here.
Okay, so be logical when you're cooking something. Go, will this taste good together? Cheese with a gob of ranch dressing.
Melted cheese.
It's obliterated cheese because you put it in so long it disappeared.
I mean, still a bit in there.
I thought you were melting like a bowl of cheese. That's why I said 30 seconds. That probably would have been 10, 15 seconds max. I understand you're learning, but here, let's see what the dogs think. Oh, so good.
Yeah, Henry, let's go.
Oh, delicacy.
Yeah.
Why do you guys both gotta eat on my
Henry, spit it out.
They're both eating on my
Henry, it isn't that bad.
They're both eating on my bread. No, I need you to go clean up the kitchen.
Okay.
Everything needs to be put back in its place.